On November 13, 2025, a routine stop for fake plates in Boise turned deadly when a passenger, Gabriel Pope, drew a knife and lunged at an officer, forcing a split-second fight for survival.
Hi.
Hey, how are you guys?
Okay.
Officer Cracker, Boise Police. The reason I'm stopping you is registration is expired.
It is, I just got it from my dad. Wait, no, it's not expired.
Okay, so here's the issue, right? That's not the license plate that's on the car. Okay, so
What license plate? I
it's a
just,
two-
well, I
it's a
just
two
got it.
Charles, it's a 2 Charles license plate. So even
You
if
mean a Canyon County license plate?
Canyon County license plate.
So I'm free to roll these windows. It's kind of cold out here.
Yep, that's fine, man. And what it is it's a fictitious display. You can't have an old plate.
Well, what do I do if I don't have the new plates delivered yet?
Take the old plates off.
Oh, I don't know. My
keep
dad
something
was
in
the one
there.
handling everything.
So yeah, as long as if you take the old plates off and just
Oh,
leave the
can we
temporary
do that?
registration in the window, yeah.
Okay.
As long as you have a temporary registration in the window, you're okay, and we can see it, then you're okay. You have info?
What's that?
Did he actually have a driver's license?
Yeah, South Carolina.
Okay.
Dude in the back though.
Let's see if I can get the backseat passenger's ID.
Yeah.
We saw, I barely saw him as I walked up there. Wondering if he's got a warrant.
Yeah, and he doesn't have a seatbelt on.
Here's this bag.
Thank you.
And then, can you roll the back window down for me, sir? This one?
No, there's no reason to.
ID
Okay,
him.
Dad,
I do. He's not wearing a seatbelt.
What kind is in?
He's not wearing a seatbelt. It's a citable offense, so I need to know who I need to write that citation to.
Okay.
Okay, so I need to be able to identify him.
Do you care if I wake him up? Just kinda-
Sir, back seat, show me your right hand. Okay, keep that where I can see it, you understand? Hey, sir, let me see your hands, please. Hey, sir, back seat, I need to be able to see your hands. Show me your right hand. I'm gonna pull him out. All right, here's what I need you to do. I need you to put both of your hands on the back. I have a legal reason to identify you. I do. You weren't wearing your seatbelt.
The seatbelt doesn't work.
Okay. Either way, that's not the issue. The issue is that you were not wearing a seatbelt. Put your hands on the back seat. Sir,
Oh, I didn't do nothing.
when I asked you, no, it wouldn't, because he's an adult. If he was a minor, it would be. When I'm talking to you, you were hiding your hands from me. Okay? That is pretty suspicious. I have every reason to have you step out of the vehicle.
No, I am a minor.
Okay. 2214 code 1. Here's the thing, sir. Okay? If you just keep your hands where I can see them, okay? But I need to identify you, all right? What's your last name, sir? What's your date of birth? What year? 2000? Hey, stop fucking reaching. You understand me? Don't fucking reach. Roll your window down. You need to stop reaching. You understand? If you were born in 2000, that means you're not a minor like you were just telling me. Understand that I can control your movements right now. You understand that? So here's what we're gonna do. Put your hands on the back of the seat rest. Driver, unlock the car.
You're not getting me out the car, homie.
Hey, what the f are you doing, man?
Hey!
Shoot me then, bitch.
Hey,
Shoot me.
get out of the car. You two, out of the car.
Shoot me then.
2014.
Get out of the car!
Clear the air.
Lock yourself, get out of the car.
Star Units Code 3. He's got a knife.
Get away from him!
Get away.
Get away from him! No.
What, you gonna shoot me too, man?
Back over here, man.
Hey,
Hey, stop!
2214 code pursuit. Armed with a knife. Sir! Yep, he just went around this. You just have R&O. I've got him somewhat ID'd. I don't know if he has any warrants or anything, but he escalated it pretty quick and then pulled a knife out when I was trying to have him get out of the car. Dispatch was working on running him when this all kicked off. Okay, just stay out of there for now. We got a suspect with an armed suspect back there. Hey, just make sure you guys know he is armed with a knife and took off running from us. Hey, we'll hold here. I don't have eyes on him. Sounds like he went running back that way. Can be a black male adult, tan jacket, blue jeans. We're currently at 517 Highland. He's in a, he ran back into this gated area. We need to start setting a perimeter. I'm on the north side. We can get people to the east and south. Information should be in the call.
Assault on LE.
Not really. It'd be pretty weak.
He was the back passenger, trying to get him ID. He's pretending to be asleep, doesn't have his seatbelt on, and then he reaches in his pocket. So we unholster, we pulls out a knife. We know his name.
Stop right there! Boise police, stop right there! Do not move! On the ground! All right, I'm challenging him. He's coming at me with the knife. Stop right there! Do not move! Do not move! Let go of the knife. Okay, stand by. We can get the knife to him once
Yeah, I'm gonna keep that knife away. Knife is in his right hand. See, you come up.
Gotcha. Yep. Shots fired. Suspect is down. Knife is still in his hand. Don't move. I understand that. We love you too. Okay? Put the knife down. Put the knife down. Yep.
Sir, do not reach for that knife. Do not reach for that knife, sir.
Yep.
They went that way.
All right. I'm sure they'll find us.
You guys all good?
Yeah. He was just coming at me from here.
Yeah, we're gonna help you, sir.
We got help on the way, bud. Don't worry.
Help is coming. Help is coming. All right. We're gonna get you medical attention right now, sir.
The knife is right here. Do you want to mark it?
Through the chest.
Yeah, let's get a chest seal on him.
Just one round?
3.
One here?
Yeah, right. There's 2 in the chest.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, that's it. No, just me.
The date was November 13, 2025, and at 9:25 a.m., a routine stop for a fictitious license plate in Boise, Idaho, turned into a life-altering confrontation. It began when an officer noticed a backseat passenger, Gabriel Pope, was not wearing a seatbelt. Pope immediately became uncooperative, hiding his hands and lying about his age. The tension exploded when Pope was ordered out of the vehicle. Instead of complying, he pulled a knife and fled on foot. The pursuit reached a deadly climax when Pope turned and lunged at an officer with the blade, forcing the officer to fire. Pope was struck 3 times but survived. Investigations later cleared the officer of any wrongdoing, while Pope faced the consequences of his actions. He was charged with felony aggravated assault on law enforcement and sentenced to 10 years in prison. This incident stands as a harrowing reminder of how quickly a minor traffic stop can escalate into a fight for survival. Subscribe for more videos and witness the frontline fight against crime with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new high-stakes investigation.